Okay, so after I get the saw running the way I want, I set my squish. So we're at 55 thousandths. Without a base gasket, it'll probably put me at 35 thousandths. So for this one here, because it's so high, what I'm going to do is I'll yank the cylinder, make a mandrel, and then just turn off 20 thousandths and still run with the base gasket. And that should put me around 35, 38 thousandths, which for this type of build is where I want to be. So